See, so let us start with left hand side. Now B is mean proportion of A and C. So B square is equal to AC. So in left hand side, wherever we have B square, we are going to replace B square value by AC. Except B square, no other value should be replaced. A power 4 as it is, then A square as it is. Then what is B square? AC. So we write AC plus B power 4. B power 4 I can write B power 2 power 2. Law of indices, power is to power, multiply the power. Again B power 4 I can write B square square plus B square we are going to write AC C square plus C power 4. Only we are going to replace B square value. So A power 4 plus what is A square into A? Same base AA, so you can add the power AQC plus what is B square? AC, then AC ka square upon B square AC ka square plus A into C square, C power 1, C power 2, then A C power 3 plus C power 4, correct? So this will be A power 4 plus A power 3 into C plus AC A square C square, correct? Upon A square C square plus AC cube plus C power 4. What is common in the numerator? What is common in the numerator? A power 4, A power 3, A power 2, which is the list? A power 4, A power 3, A power 2. A power 2 is small, that I will take outside. Then what is left? From power 4 I have taken 2 power outside, so what is left? A square. Then power 3 I have taken 2 outside, so plus AC plus power 2, A power 2 I have completely taken outside, so upon C square. Then from denominator what is common? C square, C cube and C power 4. C square is least, so I will take C square outside. Then what is left? A square. Then C square I have taken outside plus AC plus C power 4 I have taken C power 2 outside. C power 2, this get cancelled. What is left? A square upon C square. So simple definition of mean. If B is mean proportion of A and C, then B square is equal to AC. And this is direct method. The same problem we can solve by K method. The same problem can be solved by K method. Let me explain you both the method, whichever method you like. Now let us take X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. There are 3 numbers, X, Y, Z. And it is given that they are in continued proportion. Continued proportion. They are in continued proportion. So for 3 numbers, continued proportion is same as mean proportion. So continued proportion means X ratio Y, X upon Y is equal to Y upon Z for continued proportion. Let us solve this problem by K method. X upon Y is equal to Y upon Z is equal to K. K method. So X upon Y is equal to K. Y upon Z is equal to K. So cross multiply, X is equal to YK and Y is equal to ZK. Put the value of Y in this. So X will be Y ZK. ZK into K and y will be zk. So x will be zk square and y will be zk. In key method we get this relation. If x, y, z are in continuous proportion, x upon y is equal to y upon z is equal to k. So x upon y is k, y upon z is k, x is equal to yk, y is equal to zk. Replace the value of y as zk. So x will be zk square and y will be zk. So left hand side, right hand side, only we are going to replace x by this value, y by this value. Let us see the question. Show that x plus y square upon y plus z ka square is x upon z. Correct? Is x upon z. So let us start left hand side. What we have got? By k method, x is equal to zk square and y is equal to zk. Correct? We are going to replace x by this value, y by this value on both the sides. So what is my left hand side? X plus y ka square upon y plus z ka square. Correct? What is x? Zk square. X zk square plus y is zk square upon y is zk plus z ka square. Now what is common in the bracket? Zk is common. So zk common, then what is left? K plus 1 ka whole square upon what is common in them? Z common, then k plus 1 ka whole square. Correct? So now this is a into b ka square. A into b power n. What we write? A power n into b power n. Whole power split the power. So this will be zk ka square into k plus 1 ka square upon z square into k plus 1 ka square. K plus 1 ka square get cancelled. Zk square will be z square k square upon z square get cancelled. So my left hand side value is k square. What is my left hand side value? K square. Now let us evaluate right hand side value. RHS. What is RHS? X upon z. But what is the value of x? Zk square upon z. Z get cancelled. K square. Right hand side is k square. Left hand side is k square, and therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved by k method. So you can solve the problem of continued proportion, mean proportion by k method also. Okay. Let us take one more question of different type. You are given x square plus y square upon x square minus y square is equal to 2:1/8. Find x upon y. And then find second part, you want to find x cube plus y cube upon x cube minus y cube. Find these two parts. Correct? X square plus y square upon x square minus y square. Got it? So what you can see, so this we write x square plus y square upon x square minus y square 2 is to 1 by 8, mixed fraction. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 17 by 8. Right? Now what we can see in the left hand side, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So whenever left hand side or right hand side is of the form numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, we apply C and D rule. Applies componendo dividendo rule on both the sides. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, minus denominator, so change the sign, minus x square plus y square is equal to 17 plus 8, numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So y square get cancelled, x square get cancelled. So what do you get? You get 2x square upon 2y square is equal to 25 upon 17 minus 8, 9. 2 get cancelled. So we get x square upon y square is equal to 25 upon 9. So it is square. So taking square root on both the sides, taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both the sides, you will get x upon y is equal to square root of 25. 25 is 5, square root of 9 is 3, 5 upon 3, x upon y is 5 upon 3. Correct? X upon y क्या है? 5 upon 3. Follow? Now we want to find x cube plus y cube upon x cube minus y cube. So x upon y 5 upon 3. X upon y is 5 upon 3. Let us solve. X upon y 5 upon 3, correct? We want x cube and y cube. So taking cube on both sides. 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 What do you get? X cube upon y cube is equal to 5 cube 125 upon 3 cube 27. 3 cube 27. Now we want to get this x cube plus y cube upon x cube minus y cube. We have x cube upon y cube. So apply componendo dividendo rule. So x cube plus y cube upon x cube minus y cube is 125 plus 27 upon 125 minus 27. 125 plus 27, 7 plus 5, 12. 152 upon 125 minus 27, 15 minus 7, 8. Then 11 minus 2, 9. 98, 152 upon 98 you can cancel. 2 7s are 14, 76 upon 49. 76 upon 49. This is the value of x cube plus y cube upon x cube minus y cube. Got it? So this type of problems are there. Then let us see few question of continued proportion. Few question of continued proportion. Let us take. Let us take one. Find the value of x. X raised to 4. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon 2x square is equal to 17 by 8. Find the value of x. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon 2x square. Find the value of x. So numerator, denominator both, we apply C and D rule. We apply C and D rule. So x raised to 4 plus 1 plus 2x square upon x raised to 4 plus 1 minus 2x square. 17 plus 8 upon 17 minus 8. X raised to 4, I can write x square square plus 1, I can write 1 square plus 2x square upon x raised to 4, I can write x square square plus 1, I can write 1 square minus 2x square. 25 upon 17 minus 8, 9. Now if you take x square as a, then this becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2x square into 1 I can write. 2x square into 1. If you take a as x square and b as 1, in this, so this becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab. Denominator a square plus b square minus 2ab. So earlier I had told you, when you will see square, means somewhere it will be a plus b ka whole square, a minus b ka whole square. If it is cube, it will be a plus b ka whole cube, a minus b ka whole cube. So it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This I can write x square minus 1 ka square, and this I can write x square plus, because it is plus 2ab. X square minus 1 ka square is 25 upon 9. 25 upon 9. So it is square on both the sides. So taking square root. दोनों साइड स्क्वायर रूट ले लो. स्क्वायर रूट. Taking square root, then 2 will vanish. What you will get? X square plus 1. What you will get? X square plus 1 upon, you will get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is equal to square root of 25. 5 square root of 9. 3. Correct? Follow? So now again you will come across, you have come across numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator form. So whenever you will come across numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, apply C and D rule, componendo dividendo rule. So numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator, minus x square plus 1. 5 plus 3 upon 5 minus 3. Correct. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. While writing minus denominator, change the sign of denominator. So minus 1 get cancelled, plus x square get cancelled, x square plus x square, 2x square, 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 3, 8 upon 2. Now I can cancel denominator 2 directly. So 2x square is 8. So x square is 8 by 2. X square is 4. Then x is root 4. X is plus minus 2. X is plus minus 2. The value of x is plus minus 2. So we have covered all the question of ratio and proportion, the basic definition of proportion, then continued proportion, mean proportion, third proportion, fourth proportion, then properties of proportion. Invert tendo means invert, a upon b, b upon a. Then componendo means numerator plus denominator upon denominator. Dividendo means numerator minus denominator upon denominator. Componendo dividendo means numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. And then you have to remember the basic formulas: a plus b ka whole square, a minus b ka whole square, a plus b ka whole cube, a minus b ka whole cube, A cube plus B cube. Let me write those results and you write. Remember those results, formulas which we are going to come across. Correct. A plus B का whole cube. That will be A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Plus B cube. This basic result we are going to write. Then A minus B ka whole cube. It will be A cube. So for minus the sign will fluctuate. Plus minus plus minus. Then minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. It is whole cube formula. Then it comes individual cube. A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube formula will be A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So whenever you will come across this expression, you can directly write A cube minus B cube. Then A cube plus B cube formula will be, if it is minus, first bracket minus, second bracket plus. Then A plus B, then A square minus AB plus B square. Minus AB plus B square. Then A plus B का whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB, A square plus B square plus 2AB, A minus B का whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. So these are basic formulas which you have to remember. So we have covered all the type of question from ratio and proportion, then show that part, prove that part, everything we have done, cover. Now next time we'll start with reflection. Next time we'll start with reflection. I will upload the videos of reflection. Bye.